Welcome to Jenny's channel. Today my video is on view and counter view. For those who have missed out my previous video on speech writing, the link is in the description box. View and counter view carries 5 marks. How to attempt this question? First one. The objectives of this activity is to help to think logically and express your views and counter views about the given subject politely and firmly. The objectives of this activity help you to think logically. Try to stay calm and think logically about the question. Express your views. Convey your thoughts and feelings in the words. Your views and counter views. Counter view is an opposing viewpoint. Counter view is an opposing viewpoint about the given subject politely and firmly. Second, you will be given a particular view regarding some current issue or topic. You are expected to write a counter view of that issue or topic. This means that you have to give your opinion against the issue or topic given. Students, you will be given a particular view regarding some current issue or topic. The topic can be children should be given the freedom to choose their own friends. And then the view will be given down on the current issue or topics. You are expected to write a counter view on that issue or topic. You have to give your own opinion to it. Third one, some kind of guidance regarding the view, perhaps in the form of points or in the form of news item, etc. will be given. You are expected to write a paragraph which reflects the exact opposite of the views expressed. A kind of guidance regarding the view will be given in the form of points or in the form of news items. You are expected to write a paragraph, students, which reflects the exact opposite of the views expressed. Fourth one, the answer to this question should be almost like a speech. It should be argumentative and you should state your opinions firmly. The answer to this question should be like a speech and you should state your opinions firmly and it should be an argumentative. The language used, fifth one, the language used for this answer should be very formal and the tone should be as if you are addressing an audience. You can use exclamation and rhetorical questions. Give a suitable title to your answer. Children, the language used to this answer should be very formal and the tone has to be as if you are addressing an audience, as if we are speaking to an audience. It should be in a form, you can use an exclamation mark, you can use a rhetorical questions, can be asked in order to produce an effect. Give a suitable title to your answer. Marking scheme. Proper beginning and conclusion 1 mark. Appropriate vocabulary and grammar 1 mark. Expressing opinion in good language with logical order 2 marks. Appealing and convincing thoughts 1 mark. Total 5 marks. This is a news report, children, a news report which I'll read it out to you. This is a view and you have to write it in counter view. You read the following news report on the internet. Delhi, January 6th. The number of Facebook account holder is ever on the rise. Despite opinions and views to the contrary, the majority of new account holders are students. In Delhi alone, last month, more than 1 lakh students, all India teens, enrolled for Facebook accounts. Write a counter view to the opinion that students should be allowed to have Facebook accounts. This is a news report on Delhi, January 6th. The number of Facebook account holders is ever on rise. The majority of new account holders are students. In Delhi alone last month, more than a lakh of students, all in their teens, teenagers, aged between 13 and 19, enrolled for Facebook account. You need to write a counter view to the opinion that students should be allowed to have Facebook accounts. Should students be allowed to have a Facebook accounts? Let's write a paragraph on it. First, title, Facebook. Then you need to leave a line. Then write counter view. I'll read it out to you. Why should students be allowed to have Facebook accounts? It provides no knowledge, no entertainment, no information. It is just another means of chatting with friends. I know of many of my friends who spend hours chatting or sending messages to their friends. Children, as we begin with the counter view, the first thing is you should have a title, highlight it with a pencil, then write counter view and highlight it with a pencil and start with the proper beginning. That as it is asked over here, write a counter view to the opinion that students should be allowed to have a Facebook accounts. So it is said, why should students be allowed to have Facebook account with a question mark over here, rhetorical question. It provides no knowledge, it doesn't give any knowledge, no entertainment, no information. It's just a mean of chatting with friends, as in WhatsApp we chat same way as Facebook. As you are sharing your idea, like I know many of my friends who spend hours chatting or sending messages to their friends. You need to highlight some points, children. After this first para, leave one line and then you have to give your opinion to it. No doubt, a Facebook account brings one in contact with long lost friends or people one knew years ago. Students should be protected from such contacts. Parents don't know whom their children are communicating with. Some contacts may even turn out to be dangerous. You're giving your opinion, like no doubt, Facebook account brings in contact with lost friends. Like for many years you have not been in touch with that particular friend, and Facebook brings you close to it. Or people one who knew many years ago, one knew years ago. Then students should also be protected from such contacts because parents don't know actually what their children are doing, with whom they are communicating with. Some contacts may be even dangerous. So we need to be very careful. So highlight some points, children. Then after this paragraph, leave one line and then again I write, as I share my experience, as I'm concerned, Facebook bores me completely. Who wants to spend hours seeing pictures of friends on holidays? I have enough study and work to do without having to waste my time on Facebook. Once one begins chatting with a friend, there is no end to it. Everyone wants to know the details about one's address, one's phone number, and so on. There are many ways other than Facebook to spend time. Children, this paragraph says that according to me, Facebook is boring. Who wants to spend an hour seeing pictures of friends on holidays? Because I have to study, I have a lot of work to be done. Why waste my time on Facebook? Once we begin chatting with our friends and there is no end, we keep on chatting. Then everyone wants to know our deep details, one's address, phone number, and so on. The last thing's appealing and convincing thought. The last one is an appealing and convincing thought that there are many ways other than Facebook to spend time. So I start with a title, leave one line, counter view with a proper beginning. Then I come with an proper language, opinion I gave out, and expressing my opinion uh, on this particular topic, the languages with logical order, and last, appealing and convincing thoughts. I've highlighted some important points. Can you see that? So this way, a counter view has to be written in paragraph wise. with a title first, then with a proper beginning, and then with proper use of grammar, expressing opinion in good language with logical orders, and appealing and convincing thought. The last one has to be appealing and convincing thoughts. So children, this is the view, and you have to write a paragraph on counter view on that particular topic. You can give any topic regarding, after reading the question, you can give a suitable title to it, and this way you need to write a paragraph on counter view. I have a rhetorical question over here, highlighted points. My opinions have been shared with you in this particular topic. So children, I hope so everyone have understood today's topic on view and counter view. So till then, take care and God bless you all.